Welcome to the project demonstration of non-contact temperature sensor monitoring and alerting to the buzzer based on the temperature limit. So here we set the temperature limit for 39 degrees. So whenever the temperature is high than the 39 degrees centigrade, then automatically we are indicating that particular alert through the audible alert buzzer and also visual alerts on the LCD screen. So like continuously we are going to monitor the non-contact base temperature from this MLX 90614, which is IR based temperature monitoring sensor, and it will be monitored directly through the Arduino Uno board, and it will display the particular temperature on the 16:2 LCD screen. Coming to the interfacing connections, we have interfaced the MLX 90614 sensor at A4 and A5 pins. These two pins are I2C protocols. So, and we are getting an input from the MLX 90614 is I2C input only. And next the buzzer is connected at 13th pin now for Uno board, and next the LCD is connected at pin number 2 to pin number 7. So here once we switch on the kit, it will start reading continuous temperature data from this MLX 90614 sensor. So, and it will display the data on the LCD screen. So just provide the power supply to this socket. So this adapter will provide the 5 volts constant regulator outputs, and by taking the input of 230 volts. Right, there will be a welcome message on the LCD screen, and we can see the temperature is continuously monitoring on the LCD screen. Now it is 29.2 around degrees. So if I place my hand, so it is going to be the 33 degrees. So if I place any heat object, so we can see that it's 57 degrees. Now we are getting the audible alerts, and also we can see the live temperature on the LCD screen. So I'm placing my hand, so it is going to be the 33 my hand temperature. So if we place any hot object, right, so we can place this in front of any doors or any shopping malls. So it will continuously monitor the temperature of the persons, and if it is above particular temperature, then there will be a audible alert from the buzzer. Thank you.